Hello guys, here we have the new set of speakers from Moon, the Canadian company. The model name is Voice 22, two-way speakers, stand mount that we're gonna examine and check inside, outside. So the back side of the speaker, it's like this. We can see the two terminals and the whole face, it's metallic here. Beautiful, very well designed, as you can see. Designed in Canada and engineered and assembled in Indonesia. So Canada has a huge, long tradition about speakers and good audio products. And the Moon Voice 22 are no exception. So we see the drivers here, the tweeter, which is beyond 1 inch, and the 6-inch woofer. So let's have a close look of the speakers. You see the terminals here, very beautiful. Nice. So the finish is extremely good. You see how shiny is the finish here. The images that are playing from the OLED TV on the background are reflecting of the surface of the speakers, of the piano black surface. So one secret key thing here with these speakers is this bass is different than the other speakers. The company calls this bass hover bass or hover stand, or that helps the speakers to perform better if you put them on a bookshelf. So if you don't like, of course, you can remove this board here. Underneath it's like this, then you can put stands here if you like. Moon has introduced in the market special stands for these speakers, but if you don't like the stands and you have your own, or you using the speakers on a office surface or on a table or on a bookshelf, you can use this hover base or stand, which will help the speakers to perform better. We have tested and I know it works. Thanks for watching guys. See you next time with a new video. That was a presentation of the Voice 22. Building quality, the manufacturing quality is high level here, even though this is not assembled in Canada, but is designed in Canada. It's assembled in Asia somewhere. Indonesia, I think. The speaker looks extremely good, and you can feel it that the company has applied high techniques, methods, and patents here in order to implement this Moon Voice 22, the first speaker of SIM audio. Bass stand. So this is the tweeter. You see the tweeter says Moon on the back. So this is the tweeter. You see how it's manufactured. Very nice. High quality. Has a micro horn loading, let's say, here in front. The dome is beyond 1 inch. We can see this ring here, or this extra, let's say, surround thing that provides extension to the high frequencies. So we start from a good tweeter, then we move to the mid woofer driver, which is 6 inches. So you can see how beautiful is designed and manufactured. We can see the magnet here. So this is the woofer of the Voice 22. Look how it moves, the voice coil down there. It's a beauty, very well designed, very well implemented, and very well manufactured. The chassis is cast, so nothing goes cheap here. It's a beauty, the speaker, this driver, and the spider is nice. So I like it so far. The cabinet is extremely good in finish. You see here this ring. It's embedded in the front, in the face. It's not like add-on or a loose part like in other speakers. This is embedded in the cabinet, in the baffle, and then we can see inside the cabinet. This is the port that goes direct behind the tweeter. The screws here for the drivers are not wooden screws, are not screws for wood, but are not are not screws for wood, but screws for metal material like this one. So this is another plus for the speakers. Inside we can see this like a snake. You see this down there. Probably this is silicone, but it's like it goes all the way on both sides of the speaker to add for extra damping. This material there, this pattern on the sides of the cabinet, inside sides of the cabinet, are helping the speaker to increase the absorption and the to reduce the resonance, to reduce the resonance, and to increase the damping of the cabinet. So overall, this helps to produce better sound. So inside we can see the damping. Inside the cabinet we see extra bracing here in order to increase the stiffness of the cabinet. You see, even though it's very small, very compact speaker, you see how well it's manufactured inside. So let's have a look on the crossover. Here is the crossover. We can see 1, 2, 3, four capacitors and 2 exactly. So the foam here, it's glued on the sides of the Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time with a new video. That was a presentation of the Voice 22 Moon speakers. Bye for now.